Hi, Digi viewers! Welcome to our vlog. In this vlog, we're going to show you our journey to Cusco, Peru. I hope you like it. Now we're going to E4, so we have to ride here because it's too far to walk.
I'm here in Bravo 86. My passenger
This
has
is a big
requested to be pre-boarded.
airport here in Houston.
Her flight comes in the next 10 minutes and then I'll head back to Seaside.
We have to drive here.
Here's the car.
Hello everyone, we are here now in United. We boarded here in Houston and we're going to Lima, Peru. So we're supposed to leave on May 17th, a Tuesday, but we have a cancelled flight because there's a problem with the crew. I think they have a shortage of the crew during that time. So we booked on today, May 18th, and we were able to board the plane after a lot of problems with the form. I know we have a problem with the form of Peru, but we're able to make it. It's good that we were able to come here on time. So the moral of the lesson, we have to be early in the airport so that if there's a problem, you can fix it. So right now we're finally boarded. The airport here in Houston is so big. So we were in Terminal C, but we will be going to Terminal E. It's good that there's a card. So we're able to board it. We were able to ride the card, go here in the Terminal E. So right now we're boarded here and then we'll be arriving Lima around 11 o'clock p.m. And then we will be leaving Lima going to Cusco around 5 o'clock a.m. So we will be in Cusco around 6:23 a.m. You see, there's a problem with this flight because we have to cancel one of our tour and we have to rebook, or we have to go to Sacred Valley on the 9th.
Chocolate.
We have a chocolate here from United. So, is that earplug?
No, it's not chocolate.
I thought it's chocolate. Is that an earplug? Sorry. Okay, anyway. So what I'm saying is that we have a lot of it's really a mess during the time because we have to call the travel guard. We have the travel insurance, so they were able to help us rebook our flight here from Lima to Cusco. So they took care of that. But the tour that we have to change everything. So it's very hard. So the moral of the lesson, second moral lesson, is you have to have a travel insurance. Just in case their trip was delayed or there is an interruption or your trip was cancelled, they will be able to help you out. Okay, so we will show you Cusco and the rest of Lima on our next succeeding vlogs. Okay, so stay tuned for our adventure. Bye bye. We arrived here in Lima, Peru. So we exchanged our dollar So it's $3.46 3.46 soles per $1, and they have a fee. So I only got 671 instead of 696. So right now I'm looking for our flight going to Cusco, the Latam Airlines. So we are here in
Le recordamos a todos nuestros pasajeros mantener en todo momento el distanciamiento social. To all passengers.
So quiet. This is already around 11 o'clock p.m. We're going to gate 19 to get the Latam Airlines going to Cusco. Venezuelan Alto. Lima Airport. We are here in Lima Airport. ATM here. Papi's here. We're celebrating his 60th birthday.
60th birthday.
Okay, we're looking for gate 19. Latam Airlines. Dito oh. We are here in the food center here in the airport. Anong gusto mong kainin? We have McDonald's, KFC, Brick Shop. We're here in Cusco. Okay, somebody picked us up here. Jorge. Cusco. Just came from the airport and gone to the hotel. Here is Cusco. Munya.
Para ti.
Munya.
Bueno,
Oh. Not coca tea, huh?
Yeah, we have coca tea too. This is coca.
Ah. Oh.
esto
This
es
is
bueno
coca?
para
Altitude.
altitud. ¿Dijo o esto?
Coca?
Oh, es una
Yeah.
espera
But
tomar.
today you try the comuna tea. Yeah.
Comunya.
This is munya.
Munya. Okay. Ah.
Munya. You smell.
Munya.
It's like medical.
Yeah, smell good.
Yes.
Ooh.
No sugar,
Let's-
yes?
No sugar. No sugar for me. Oh, look at this. This is
Wow. Bueno.
Here is our room.
This is
Here
a surprise
in
for my wifey. I don't even
Cusco.
know. It's my birthday. Wow.
Oh,
look at
ganda.
the-
Meron pa dito. Oh.
Look at the room.
Papi, happy birthday!
Oh, happy birthday to me. This is the version. This is a
Hotel Boutique ko.
Hello.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? There you go. Thank you for watching this video of our journey to Cusco, Peru. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for our video of our adventure to Machu Picchu. Thank you!